All right, so we are day 7 with Ellen. I just had a chance to look her over. Ellen, tell us a little bit about what the week was like for you.
Unbelievably easy. I am shocked. I have to say, first of all, I've been on Tylenol. I was on Tylenol for only 3 days, and then I really was great. And honestly, the Tylenol was more for the laser sunburn discomfort. If you've ever had a bad sunburn, I live in San Diego. Unfortunately, I've had them. It was just like that, actually. It was just like a bad sunburn. And then that only lasted a few days, and then you're okay. And energy-wise, I have all my energy. I think part of it is the calmness of how you prepared me for this journey. Your packet is so detailed, and having me buy everything ahead. It was all staged and ready.
Organized,
and
yeah.
I mean, you guys are just such a great communicators of preparation. I've never quite seen anything like it. I've had other surgeries before, and I've never been so prepared. So I just want to tell you that it's huge.
Well, a lot goes to your credit for actually following through, reading the packets, that kind of thing, because at the end of the day, there are videos, there are packets, but if somebody doesn't read them, they're not going to be as prepared. And taking that seriously and being prepared is a super important part of it. But also, I have to say your attitude about the whole thing. And I tell patients this all the time. The more laid back, relaxed you are about the upcoming process and the after, the post-op, the faster you heal, the less uncomfortable you are. All that, because I think when people stress about stuff, the cortisol levels go up, all that's, and then it really inevitably causes a delay in healing. And I see that all the time. When people really are stressing to heal as fast as they can, they usually take twice as long to heal. So in your case, being in a sort of a let yourself go kind of a mindset, go with the flow, you prepare, you set aside the proper time, and you're healing beautifully. I mean, this is I would say kind of the better side of average, but I mean, when you get the laser, things look very rough, but overall, very little in the way of bruising, some discoloration that's normal and natural, and this next 7 days is going to be really, really fun to see, because that's when you're going to see daily changes going on.
Yeah, I think you have to have realistic expectations in life, right? So to expect that you're going to go through this, all of the surgery that I had, the vertical restore and the upper and lower and the fat transfer and laser, and just wake up on day 2 and you're going to look like, the end result is unrealistic. And that's why I liked your packet and your videos, because I was actually prepared to not be, to be uncomfortable with how I looked.
Yeah.
I was swollen on that day 3 and 4, and I knew that I was going to be. So, but every day I see lots of changes, and it's very exciting.
It's fun. It's fun stuff. I can't wait to see you at the next visit, which will be at the 1 month point. And there's going to be so much change that's going to be on it. So look forward to you sending me some pictures and stuff during the healing process.
I will.
Too.
I don't know if I'm going to stay away for a whole month because everybody here is so fabulous.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Well, thank you so much for doing. Oh, and we're gonna set this up to where our followers will be able to get a chance to follow along with you during your with your menopause and premenopause education and all this stuff, because I think that's a very, very important thing that goes hand in hand with this stage of life. So I look forward to sharing that with our followers as well.
Thank you.